Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now, install this app from Mad Scientist developer and when it's ready, open it. Following that, click on those two lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings at the top. Then you need to choose I accept in this pop-up. Now adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And when you finished, click on the top right corner, then bottom one again. This time, select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with Home Screen only. Then swipe up and choose Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!